Amid the explosion growth of the drone industry today, the temperature humidity test chamber has emerged as a core testing device for RD and mass production to grow, boasting a temperature range of -70 to 150 degrees Celsius and a humidity range of 10% RH to 98% RH. Our chamber delivers exceptional precision, a temperature control accuracy of ±0.5 degrees Celsius, and a humidity control accuracy of ±3% RH. Equipped with a balanced temperature and humidity control system, it ensures uniform, stable performance without drift over long periods. Its interior is crafted from stainless steel with high-density insulation, offering excellent sealing and heat insulation properties. Paired with an intelligent touch control system, it operates with stable stability, safety, and reliability. In the drone sector, it authentically simulates real-world scenarios such as high-altitude low-temperature, southern humid heat, and coastal high humidity. It conducts rigorous testing on flight control motherboards, gimbals, batteries, and image transmission modules. By proactively identifying issues like moisture absorption, condensation, and performance degradation of components, it significantly enhances the drone's stability and safety in complex environments. Compliant with international standards such as IEC 6006821-2007, our test data is authoritative and reliable, simulate accurately, verify rigorously, and define a new standard for industry quality. Want to learn more about our environmental testing equipment? Please leave a message.